as a business owner, right, the most important person who is running the business is you, right? So everything begins with you first, right? So there are a lot of things that you need to get in you in place for your material success in life, outward success in life. Do you agree? Do you agree to what I just said? You are the most important piece of your life. You are the most important piece of your business. So it is very important to first work on yourself, you. Because when this is right, it is reflected in the outer world. So in my personal journey as an entrepreneur, I have been having a lot of mindset shifts. Okay? So which I'll share with you, right? So I just quickly prepared a mind map for you guys to have a look. I'm going to be sharing my screen, and you can so that you know whatever I'm talking about, you guys can have a look at this, right? So see, you are made up of what? What are you made up of? What do you think you are made up of? Can you write in the chat box what is it that you are made up of? I would like to hear from you. What is it that you are made up of? Vandana is made up of what? This body. Then I have mind. Then I have my intellect. Then emotions and feelings, right? And the energy or the spirit. Agree. Thoughts and actions. Yes. Experience and skills, which are more, we'll come to that. Mind, heart, soul, and body. Okay, good. So emotions come from where? From your heart, from your soul, from your body, everywhere. Okay. All right. So what I believe is that we are made up of basically 5 things: our body, our mind, our intellect, our emotions, and our spirit. Okay, 5 things. Okay. This is going upward, spirit, energy, right? Now, body is more gross, visible, right? Mind is invisible, right? It is subtle. And intellect is still subtler than the mind. Now you would ask, what is the difference between mind and intellect? So mind is what? Flow of thoughts, right? The thoughts that we get, flow of thoughts. Intellect is your quality of thoughts. Quality of thoughts. What is the direction of your intelligence? See, Mahatma Gandhi had a mind, Osama bin Laden had a mind, Mother Teresa had a mind, Hitler had a mind. But what was their direction of intellect, direction of intelligence? Constructive intelligence or destructive intelligence, right? Which is your quality of thought. All of us have mind, but the quality of thoughts is very important. For an entrepreneur, throughout your business dealings, not only in business, in life as well, your quality of thoughts is so important, right? Whether you are in a giving mode or you are in a getting mode. So what kind of thoughts you process, on that depends your journey into being a successful entrepreneur. Very important.